Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that every industry deals with, but nobody likes to admit. The real cost of missing latent conditions. It's not just money, time, safety, quality, frustration, reputation, all of it. And if you've ever worked in operations, you already know. A small latent condition is never just small. It's a future disaster. Politely waiting its turn. So let's break down what missed latent conditions actually cost us, industry by industry, and why digital risk assessments and analysis tools like Qscore are becoming essential instead of optional. Here's the truth. Most problems don't appear out of nowhere, right? They start tiny, almost invisible, and grow quietly. A loose bolt, a skipped checklist, a missed signature, a machine that usually works fine. We've heard them all. A step someone forgets because it was rushed happens all the time. The problem isn't the issue itself. It's that nobody sees it early enough. And that's where organizations bleed money without realizing it. The $50 part that costs $50,000. Let's start with manufacturing. In factories, something as small as a misaligned sensor or loose fitting can reduce output, damage equipment, trigger rework, cause customer returns, or delayed deliveries. Here's a scenario that teams see all the time. Tiny vibration on a conveyor belt gets ignored. That vibration gets worse. The operations team reports to maintenance. Maintenance submits a work order. The work order gets delayed due to production pressure and not being able to shut down the production line. And then one day, boom, the belt snaps, belt breaks, 3 other parts in the destruction. Production stops. Production outage takes 3 times as long. Orders pile up. Customers complain. One missed issue suddenly becomes machine downtime, overtime labor, failed deadlines, angry clients, thousands in losses. This is exactly the kind of pattern Qscore is designed to catch. It helps teams spot small abnormalities before they turn into expensive breakdowns. Let's talk construction. A missed latent condition equals risking everything. In this industry, a missed latent condition doesn't just cost money, it can cost lives. Some common small issues include missing PPE, or how about incomplete scaffolding checks, or damaged tools, uninspected lifting equipment, incorrect site setup. Most incidents on construction sites happen because someone thought it was fine. A missing assessment step can lead to injuries, project delays, insurance claims, penalties, operational shutdowns. Qscore helps construction teams stay ahead of these risks with consistent, trackable assessments that don't get lost on paper or WhatsApp. Part 3, logistics. One latent condition missed, travel across whole supply chains. Logistics is another silent victim of overlooked issues. A simple, unchecked detail like temperature variance, damaged packaging, forklift issues, incorrect labeling can cause failure across the entire chain. That means spoiled goods, lost shipments, customer returns, unnecessary transport costs. With Qscore, teams catch deviations early and get real-time visibility on what's happening instead of finding out days later when customers complain. Let's talk about the 4th industry. How about facility management? The smallest maintenance issue can snowball. A leak becomes water damage. A clogged filter becomes an HVAC filter failure. An HVAC failure. A skipped fire safety check becomes a liability. A broken light becomes a security risk. Missed issues in this industry mean tenant complaints, emergency repairs, high costs, reputational damage. Qscore gives facility teams consistent digital inspection with severity scoring so they know what needs attention now and what can wait. Across all industries, the pattern is the same. It's not the issue that costs you, it's how late you find it. Every delayed discovery means downtime, rework, more labor, higher risk, faster wear, lower performance. Paper checklists and scattered tools simply don't catch issues fast enough. But with centralized system like Qscore, your teams get clear visibility, real-time scoring, early warnings, trends and patterns, accountability. Suddenly, issues stop hiding and start getting handled. Here's the big takeaway. Missed latent conditions are not small mistakes. They're silent costs that compound over time. Whether you're running a factory, a construction site, a facility, a logistics network, your real advantage comes from catching problems early. That's why digital risk assessments and quality tools like Qscore are becoming industry standard. They help teams see what paper checklists will always miss. If you want more insights like this and real examples from the industries we work with, make sure to follow our page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.